we're going to do one of my favorite progressions of teaser on the Wunda Chair. So I have one spring in the middle and a short box, one of the reformer short boxes in front of the chair. You're going to sit, place yourself in the middle of the chair with just about one hand width from the back of the chair. The same position that you usually have for your teaser. Place your feet hip width apart, flat on the box. You're going to start, same way you do a teaser. You're going to bring those arms forward, curl the tailbone under, bring those arms back, place those arms on with the palms of your hands on the chair, keeping those elbows soft, curl the tailbone under and press yourself back, aiming for that lower back into the chair, and bring it up halfway up and press down halfway and pull it in. Press down, deepening those abdominal muscles down towards the chair and pull it back up. Give me one more. Press and bring it up and slowly release. Both hands release. Keep those arms nice and long. Curl that tailbone under. Curl as you roll back. Bring those arms back. Place those hands on the pedal with the palms of the hands, thumbs with fingers. Press the pedal down and halfway up and press back, two and halfway up. One more time. Press and maintaining that lower back on the chair. Press back and hold. Bend those elbows and press, straightening those arms. Always keeping those elbows soft and bend and press and keep those arms straight. Come halfway up and press down again. Come halfway up. This time you're going to take one leg up and press the pedal down, keeping that opposite foot on the box flat and pull it up. One more. Press and bring it up. Switch. Take the other leg up and press and deepen it as you come up, opening the chest and pull it up. One more. Press, bring all the way up. Now let's try to take both legs at the same time together, and then we're going to press and pull it back up and press back and lift. One more. Press and bring it up. Try to balance. Take those hands off, reach those arms forward, bend those knees and place it down. Take those arms up. You're going to curl that tailbone under, bring up one leg at a time, hold on to those legs, balance. Keep those knees bent. Find your balance, place those hands on the pedal, press the pedal down and bring it up and press the pedal down and bring it up. One more. Press, and if you feel comfortable and you find your balance, you can lengthen those legs, keep those knees soft. And press and pull it in. Press back and pull and press down and bring it up. Find your balance, release those arms, reach forward and bend those knees and place it down. Place those hands by your side, right in front of the chair. Curl yourself over. Keep those shoulders right on top of those hips. Now, get your feet up into tippy toe. Without trying not to move your body, you're going to lift those knees up towards your chest and bring it back down. And you feel immediately those abdominal muscles pulling those legs up and release. And a little pressure on those hands. Without shifting the weight back, you pull those knees in towards your chest and bring it down. Now this time you're going to pull it in. You're going to pull it deeper. See if you can hold on to the balance. Hold on to the back of those legs. Bring those legs a little longer in the front. Find your teaser. Maintain the weight of your body slightly back. You're going to transition those arms back and then push the pedal down and pull it up and try not to move those legs up or down. And you press down and you pull and you press and lift Now holding right here, let's take the legs 2 inches down and 6 inches up. 2 inches down without moving that upper body, and 6 inches up. 2 inches down and 6 inches up, and hold. You can release those arms, reach, find your balance, bend those knees, and place it down. That's a great strengthening to find your teaser 2. Now, for the teaser 3, you want to move yourself a little bit back. So I suggest that you actually find the position first before you bring those legs up. So keeping those legs straight, push the pedal down as far back as you can, and from here, straightening those legs. If you find yourself that the pedal is pushing you up, you can come back up and actually shift a little back. You want to be as far back, otherwise you won't be able to do your teaser 3. So you press the pedal down, and then you lengthen those legs, and then you find your teaser 3. From here, pull those legs up as you bring the body up, lift, 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 and then everything goes down at the same time. And you press and you lengthen those legs and reach. And you pull those legs up as the body comes up. Lift, lift, lift. And you maintain the tailbone curled and shift the weight down and back. And you pull everything up. You lift those legs, and then you stay here. You find your teaser, and then you bend those knees and place it down. So practice starting flat out first. You will be able to find the position of your teaser 3 and then work your way up. I find it to be easier that way. I hope this was helpful, and see you next time for the next progression.